Alright, hello, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so in this video I'll try to show you how to install the Reactor plugin inside DaVinci Resolve 20, because if you try to install this thing in DaVinci Resolve 20, it will not gonna install. It will show this type of error that you need to purchase the license first and then you would able to do it. And this is the main issue that I was facing right now, and I tried to find so many videos on YouTube, but I was not getting anything. I found one video, and that is this one, how to use Reactor in DaVinci Resolve 20 Plus for free. The method he shows in the video was kind of, you have to install the script called fuse script.fuse. If you watch this video, you will see the .fuse one. But the problem I faced while doing this one is there was no fuse file, and that was the main issue, that when I tried to install that thing, there was no fuse file. It was something like .atom thing, and I tried to rename that folder to .fuse also and then try to install it, but it doesn't work. So I will show you the better way how to install this thing. Before showing you how to do this thing, I will just confirm you that yeah, actually this thing works, and I'm not scamming you, and this is just for a proof thing. So you can see there I'm using DaVinci Resolve 20. You can see the loading screen also. This is, I don't know how to show this thing. Yeah, this one you can see there in the about section. If you click on this is Resolve 20.3.3. this one is the latest version. And if I just use the plugins, for example Xglow, you can see I'm using this Xglow, and I can properly use it in my renders or in my Fusion tab. So if I just connect it, and if I click on this, you can see it is working properly. So yeah, this is for the confirmation that yeah, I'm not scamming you. How to install this thing? So basically, if you go to the Reactor page, Reactor 3, something like this, you will see this first one. Just click on this, you will see something like this. You have to download this thing, this installer. Just click on this one, you will get a file and you have to install it. And the problem is, you can see the Reactor 3 will only install on DaVinci Resolve free from version 19.1 and up. So it means it will not gonna install from version 19.1 and above. It means you cannot use this Reactor plugin on those type of versions. In order to use it in the 20 version, what you have to do, you have to install the 19.0 version of DaVinci Resolve. So just go to the DaVinci Resolve website, search for Resolve download, something like this, and you will be in the page. And now if you try to download this thing, it will show the 21 version right now. You can also download this one, because it was, right now I'm not using this because it's in the beta version, and this is the most convenient one, the version 20. But you don't have to download this thing. You can download this thing because you have to uninstall your DaVinci Resolve 20 and then you have to reinstall that thing again. But we are focusing on the 19.0 version, so we just go to the developer option and SDF and software, I think. Nope, not this one. You have to go to the support option, and you will get this all the versions of the DaVinci Resolve. You have to scroll down and you have to find the DaVinci Resolve 19.0 option. So if you just go down just a bit, this is DaVinci Resolve 18.1, so you have to go up. Just go up. Where is that? DaVinci Resolve 19.0. So you have to just go and find it. But in this one, we have to find the 19.0. You will find the 19.0 version there. I don't know. Then you have to download it for the Mac or for your Windows, if you have Windows or Mac. So before installing that, you have to make sure that you uninstall your DaVinci Resolve 20 latest version. Then only it will going to install your older version, or else it will show that error that you have to uninstall in the control panel. So just go to the control panel, and in the control panel you will get this uninstall program option, and just go and uninstall this. It's pretty simple. Okay, so when your uninstallation is done, when you uninstall your latest version, you will get this folder. You have to just double click and open this. It will extract your file, it will show something like this. Just do the installation. It's pretty simple. I'm not gonna explain everything. This installation is like really fast. DaVinci Resolve is pretty fast, and you don't have to be worried about waiting for hours and hours. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes. If you have a very bad computer also, it will most probably take 5 minutes maximum, and this is done. So when your installation is done, you can just click and open your files, your software, and you can see this is DaVinci Resolve 19, and you will get this type of error. You will not gonna get, because I just told you that I try to use that fuse thing. I renamed this stuff and try to install it, but it doesn't work, and because of that it was showing this type of error thing. And now that's the problem. If you have old files, like if you want your 20 the latest version files, it will show all this type of error. Do not try to do anything. Okay, so you just have to go to your new project and then just open or create a new one. Do not do anything to the older ones. And now we have the the DaVinci Resolve open. This is the Fusion tab. Now we have to install the Reactor plugin in this one, because now it will be supported properly. So just go to the website that I already told you. You will get the file called this Reactor install. You have to use this Reactor installer. You have to just drag drop the file in the Fusion tab and it will automatically install everything. So after that, you have to just go to the workspace and you will get your Reactor option there, and you can now open your Reactor without having any issues. So you can see there we are properly using the Reactor plugin, and now you can install anything, whatever you want to install, just go and install. So for example, if you search for glow effects, you will see all sort of glow effects: X glow, star glow, light wrap, and all these things. So this type of nodes are not by default in the Fusion thing, so you can take advantage of all those type of features that will come with the Reactor plugins. And there are so many plugins. Actually, I think there is like thousands of plugins. You can see there, it's a lot of. You don't have to install everything. Technically you can install everything, but yeah, you don't have to. Just install the things that you need to use. Try to find some best plugins and all those type of things, and just try to install it. And then after, when your installation is done, you can close this, restart. You don't even have to restart, you can just close everything. Then you have to go to the control panel again. You have to uninstall this version, and then you have to reinstall your latest version of DaVinci Resolve. And when you try to access your those files, Xglow or anything, any kind of Reactor plugin, you can access, and you can also use them inside latest version of DaVinci Resolve. So this is the most easiest and the most convenient way to install these things. There is no videos on YouTube. You will not gonna find any kind of videos on this topic. I don't know why people are not making this thing, but yeah, hopefully this will help you. And it took me like a really kind of a long time to mess around with this stuff just to find this solution. So yeah, if this helped you, then please make sure you give a like. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.